Oh shoot. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to today's vlog. I'm so excited because I ordered these new tumblers and I feel like they're so freaking cute. I honestly was on the search for like really cute tumblers, but that were really simple still because I just didn't want, I don't know, hold on. There's like the basic tumblers. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I found these ones on Amazon and they're just like skinny ones and I feel like they're so freaking cute. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want them, but like how cute is this? I'm obsessed. Okay, so currently just answering some emails. I was very proud of myself because my goal this week honestly is like I really would love to get fully ready every single day before 10 because I feel like normally I like get halfway ready and then once I need to film later in the day I'll get fully ready and I'm like, Alisha, no. So we got ready. I only put my hair in a bun because I didn't have time to do much else, but it's cool. So yeah, I'll show you my outfit real quick. Okay, so I'm wearing all black again. I wore all black yesterday and then while I was getting dressed today I was like, oh, I'm definitely wearing all black again, but that's okay. So my top is from Revolve. It's by the brand Love Wave, I want to say. I think it's technically like a workout top that you can wear. It's so freaking soft, so I really, really like it. My skirt is from Shein. I got it when I went with them to Anguilla and it's actually like so freaking cute and I like how like it's a short mini skirt, but because it has like this material on both sides, I feel like it feels longer, so it doesn't feel like it's like a super tiny skirt. I don't know, I just hate when like my butt's like sticking out, so I feel like it's like covers really well. It's still cute because it has this little like thing and it has a little buckle. And then for my necklaces, I'm wearing this little lock one from Adina's Jewels and then my name one that I wear all the time. It was a gift, so I'm not sure where it's from. And then just some Air Force Ones, baby. That's what we wearing. It felt good to get ready today, I will say. Also, I'm so excited because if you guys saw, I don't know, I think it was one of my recent vlogs. I went to the eye doctor and I picked out new glasses and they finally came in. And you guys, oh my God, hold on. We'll do a little try on for you. We're so excited. Okay. Hold on. So I ended up getting two different pairs. I don't know if they scammed me, guys. Did I need two pairs? No, they were running the sale. And the way that the guy said it to me, I guarantee he was just trying to like get me to do it, which I ended up doing it. So that I guess this tactic works. But he was like, you're probably not interested, but we're doing this sale. If you like buy one pair of sunglasses, you get the next like lenses free, which is like $500 or something like that. So basically you only have to pay for the frames, blah, blah, blah. But the way he said it was like, you probably wouldn't be interested. And then I was like, no, not really. But then I couldn't decide between two different frames. And then finally I was like, well, I guess it just makes sense to get both. So I got both. And at first I kind of was mad at myself for getting both. But now that I'm seeing them again in person, I'm actually really glad because my old glasses I have had for like 4 years. And I didn't realize how horrible they were. Like the lenses were so scratched up and I always would try to clean them and it still would just do nothing. Speaking of lenses, this has like a smudge on it. So yeah. Anyways, the first pair that I got are these clear ones from Chloe and they're kind of like a black see-through or like a brown see-through, but they look like this. I'm just excited because I feel like when I don't want to wear makeup, I can wear glasses. I honestly should wear them more because I'm nearsighted, so it's like I can get through my day very easily without wearing glasses, but I feel like when I have them on, especially for driving, it just helps so much. So that is pair number one. We love. And then this next pair I actually feel like is my favorite. These are by Dita Eyewear. I don't know. But like one, isn't this the cutest little case ever? Two, they're extremely light, which I like. The only thing I absolutely hated about these, like these were my favorite, but they came with gold. And you guys know I'm like such a silver girl. So it took me a long time to be like okay with the gold. And then the eyepieces are like plastic, so they won't get caught in your hair or anything like that, which I love. They basically look like this. I feel very like smart in them. I really love how light they are. Like they don't sit heavy. So is this too bright still? I think I'll just have to like be okay with the gold, which like I do agree that I feel like it looks really nice. I can see it's so freaking weird. Like, oh my God. It's great. I can look out the window. I can see every single leaf. I can see every single like everything. Wow. We got glasses. Also, I ordered another pair, so I'm gonna be set on glasses for a while. I think they should be coming in like a day or two. I got sucked into one of those Instagram ads, especially because I had my prescription now. I was like, easy to get some, so I just got some. So anyways, but yes, we got glasses. Love that for me. Love being able to see. I don't know why, I brought up my laptop up here because the other night I was editing before bed. I kind of actually like having it up here. I don't know why, like I feel like it's just kind of like getting it done. So I'm gonna do a few different things. we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna do a few more emails, get some stuff done, and then we're gonna head to the mall because we're filming a really fun video today, and I'll bring you guys along for that because I'm actually really excited. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be this week's video or the next week's, but I mentioned to you guys doing a video where I'm only wearing men's clothes for an entire week, and we're gonna like keep filming that today. So that's what we film it. Okay, it's been so long since I've been to this mall, but we are at the mall, and we're currently headed to Forever 21. We're only gonna shop in the men's section, which like low-key, I get so much good stuff in the men's section, so I'm really excited to see what outfits I put together. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. Wow, also, did you hear that Ariana Grande filed a $10 million lawsuit against Forever 21?
No. Why?
Yeah, because they used her like face or like I don't know. It was crazy. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. Okay, I'm gonna refuse to shop today though. Only gonna buy men's stuff. That's the goal today. Okay. Oh my god, they have cute stuff. I haven't been here in so long. Oh my god, okay, here we go. Wait, I feel like this is gonna be kind of easy. Oh my god, wait. Cute. Got some shoes. They're definitely something I would never normally pick out. Also, got so much stuff at Forever 21, so that's exciting. I'm actually so excited for this video. We're gonna go home and eat because I'm starving right now. I haven't been in this mall in so long. I feel like there was a time where I was literally like probably Christmas shopping. I feel like there was a time where I was here every single day. This is heavy, but we got this. I had to get shoes that were the boys, like in the boys section, like youth, because they didn't have the shoes that I wanted in men's. Ooh, Sephora. Okay, I won't go. Also, this pretzel place smells so good. Ooh, sorry. So I saw this group of kids and I was like, is school out already? And I looked at it's 2:40. I literally was like, wait, like what? They're like have their backpacks and everything. I was like, wait. Oh my god, also we're walking through the food court right now and it smells so freaking good. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, does it feel weird for this to be like on a vlog even though this is more like main channel-esque? First of all, definitely second part of this vlog. Guys, I don't know what it is, but literally my hair, like this is air dried. I put a little texture spray in it, but it's like looking so good. At least I think it's looking so good. She's like all natural today. So obviously you guys can see the title of this video, but I have an unboxing for you guys. Not never, but I very rarely show nice things. Also, my voice is kind of gone. I apologize. Also, this is just like, hold on, it's very rare that I ever do like a luxury haul of any size. I can't talk. Of any kind. I used to just like binge. Your girl's struggling. I used to binge watch so many like purse unboxings or hauls or what's in my purses. I'm genuinely so excited. I've been waiting to wear it because I wanted to unbox it for you. I made a purchase from Louis Vuitton, and this isn't just any purchase, you guys. Like, this is something I have been wanting for such a long time. I was able to get my hands on one. This is the cutest bag I think I've ever purchased or probably will ever purchase in my life. Like, oh my god. Okay, so first of all, I'm like geeking out right now. Oh my god. So this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy Nano, and basically it is an adorable, tiny, crossbody Speedy. It's so cute. I'm looking at it in the viewfinder and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is one of the cutest bags ever. I think I have genuinely watched every single unboxing, haul, any type of review regarding this bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I can contribute to anyone who's wanting to purchase one. It's tiny. This thing is like probably like what, like 6 inches or so. So tiny. It actually can hold, oh wait, oh my god. It literally fits, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I literally was about to be like, it doesn't fit my phone, but I just tried it and it actually fits my iPhone XS Max very comfortably. There's a lot more room in here. I feel like you could fit so much crap in here. Okay, I literally don't have my wallet with me, but lip glosses, perfume, oh my god, and there's still so much room in there. I'm geeking out. I also love the fact that I'm wearing my men's Walmart denim jacket that was $20, and then here I am buying a Louis Vuitton purse. That's literally, I think that describes my life pretty well actually. You know, it's like pick and choose what you want to spend your money on. Strap isn't adjustable, but honestly it like fits at the perfect spot. I feel like it like perfectly just like kind of like sits there. I think this is so cute. Honestly, like the little handles too are so small. I'm actually that weird person, like when it comes to Louis Vuittons, I don't like the patina look, which is so bad. Like it's not bad, but it's weird because I feel like most people love when basically like this leather's like untreated, so it's gonna like turn a color. I personally like it when it looks new opposed to like the orange patina, which is weird because whatever. Here it is up close. Oh Oh my god, she's so tiny. Like, so cute and tiny. I feel like this is also the only way you would really wear it. Like, I'm sure if you really wanted to, you could just kind of like hold it, but overall, like, this is a crossbody bag. I've yet to like really wear it out, but I will definitely let you guys know, like, you know, how I like it, if I still think it was worth it, which honestly, I can kind of tell when I'm gonna like something or not, and I genuinely think I'm going to love this bag and wear it all the time. So yeah, I just have been wanting this for so freaking long. I'm so excited that I was able to get one. This is genuinely one of my favorite bags I think I will ever own. I have been loving the like small crossbody trends, and this is just, I can't, oh my god. So yeah, this is my new baby. We need to name her, oh my god. Ooh, oh my god, comment below names for her. I feel like it should either start with an S for Speedy or an N for Nano. I'm kind of thinking it should start with an N. Nina the Nano? I don't know. Comment below what we should name her. Ah, oh my god, I'm so excited. I guess I should pose for a thumbnail like a good YouTuber. Wow, this is not my normal vlogging lens. So I just wanted to include this as like the second part of this vlog. Let me know if you guys want more like unboxings or like hauls or just like, I don't know, stuff like this that I normally wouldn't show. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. I love you guys. Okay, bye.